I'm Captain Eli Pichumacog, and I am proud na galing ako ng Mountain Province, and I'm also a proud member ng PMA Class 2018 sa mga mista ko diyan. Magkikita-kita rin din tayo, maliit lang din yung Army. So I am also a proud member ng SR Class 212 and ng Spoke 147. And nakuha ko yung Gold Cross ko through NPA area, which is rarely na mangyari pag sa ng NPA area. And naka-recover kami ng 2 body count, tapos 2 baril, which is yung isa is yung RPK nila, which equivalent sa ating cruiser weapon. I am very proud na isa akong Special Forces operator dito sa area ng Agusan del Sur under ng 8th Special Forces Company ng 3rd Special Forces Arrowhead Battalion.